Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Maria Garcison and welcome to our course, Methods of Research.
Today, we're going to discuss Introduction to Research Concepts. The word research is derived from the Old French word chercheur, meaning to seek or search. There are three reasons why we are conducting research. First, for more explanations. Second, for verifiable truth and to make discoveries. According to the Encyclopedia of the Social Science, research is the manipulation of things, concepts, symbols for the purpose of generalizing to extent, correct, or verify knowledge, whether that knowledge aids in the construction of a theory or in the practice of an art. According to Webster's Third International Dictionary, research is newly discovered facts or practical application of such new or revised conclusions, theories, or laws. According to Tuckman, research is a systematic means of problem solving. According to Bess and Kahn, research is a systematic and objective analysis and recording of controlled observation that may lead to the development of generalizations, principles, theories resulting in the prediction and possibly the ultimate control of events. Hence, research is the formal and intensive process of carrying on a scientific method of analysis. It is a systematic and objective analysis and recording of controlled observations that may lead to the development of principles. Now let us discuss the goals of research. The goals of research, as cited in Cristobal and Cristobal in 2013, is to produce evidence-based practice. Every discipline or institution must provide the best practice of management based on research studies. In education, for example, a practitioner must ensure that he is able to provide the best teaching practices, as proven by research, to learning. The principles on which the tasks and functions of educators are based on the results of research. The administration, management of schools, guidelines on admission, assessment, community service, and others must be dealt with accordingly. The results of research must be published in journals, articles, locally and internationally for benchmarking. Research findings can also be utilized in seminars, workshops, or trainings so that new knowledge can be shared. Another goal of research is to establish credibility on the profession. A profession can be identified by the body of knowledge it utilizes. A profession is also distinct from other disciplines when there are practices of service in a given area of field. Effective and efficient practices are products of research. Next is to observe accountability for the profession. Every action conducted by a profession must have a rationale. There are principles why a teacher has to prepare a curriculum or a syllabus, why a manager needs to plan, why a treasurer needs to conduct studies. All professionals must be accountable for each task he or she performs. And number 4 is to promote cost-effectiveness through documentation. The findings or research must be shared to individuals, groups, community, organizations for which the study was intended. It is useless if its results are not made public. Results of research must satisfy the researcher's goals before he or she can share it with other researchers and professionals to whom findings may be beneficial. In this manner, research becomes cost-effective. Now let us proceed to the purpose of research. The purpose of research is stated clearly and explicitly in a format appropriate for the style of investigation. The purpose of research indicates the focus and direction of the research according to Descombe in 2002. The purpose of research may be organized into three groups based on what the researcher is trying to accomplish: explain a new topic, describe a social phenomena, or explain why something occurs. First is exploratory or formulative research. The researcher's goal is to formulate more precise questions that future research can answer. Exploratory research helps ensure that a more rigorous, more conclusive future study will not begin with inadequate understanding of the nature of the problem. Next is descriptive research. This research presents a picture of the specific details of a situation, social setting, or relationship. The major purpose of descriptive research is to describe characteristics of a population or phenomenon. It seeks to determine the answers to who, what, where, and how questions. Next is exploratory research. The desire to know why to explain is the purpose of exploratory research. It builds on exploratory and descriptive research and goes on to identify the reasons for something that occurs. Exploratory research looks for causes and reasons. For example, researchers are interested in learning why some children bully other children. Thanks for watching. Thank you and keep safe.